Can you believe that we're in the last month of 2021? Most people think the housing market slows down during the holidays. And while that is somewhat true, this off-season is actually a great time to buy a home. So stay tuned and I'll give you 3 reasons why. Okay, let's get right into it. Here are 3 reasons why the holidays are actually a good time to buy. Reason number 1, there's less competition. 2021 was one for the books when it came to bidding wars and multiple offer situations. There was so much demand and so little inventory that finding a house for many people seemed next to impossible. Even the best offers getting beaten. A lot of buyers lost out on a few homes and now they're thinking they'll just wait until after the holidays are over and start looking again. However, I wouldn't press pause just yet. A lot of buyers do that. They decide to wait and therefore get out of the market temporarily, which means that if you stick it out and you don't give up, you'll likely get a better deal and have a lower chance of overpaying if you're able to find a house right now because they're out of the market. Reason number 2, sellers who have their home listed in the winter typically need to sell more than any other time of the year. Everyone wants to be home for the holidays. And if the home is put up for sale now, there's usually a reason, which means they're motivated. A motivated seller usually means a better deal for you. Reason number 3, home prices will continue to appreciate. Although appreciation in 2022 may not be as fast as it was this year, at an average rate of over 25%, home prices are fully expected to continue to appreciate at rates much faster than 2018 or 2019. Plus, we're looking at rising interest rates, not to mention inflation, and all that adds up to one simple truth. The longer you wait, the less affordable your next home is going to be. I'll say it again, the longer you wait, the less affordable your next home is going to be. Don't confuse competition with affordability. Even if there's less competition in the future and you can find more homes to buy and get your offer accepted, that same home is gradually going to get less and less affordable the longer you wait because of the reasons I just mentioned. Here's my advice. Take advantage of the low interest rates and less competition right now, and don't let these holidays deter you from making an offer this season. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays. I'll see you next time.